10 things from Amazon that are quietly upgrading my closet and my laundry room and my life. And they're all under $40. Well, okay, not all, but most. Hi, ladies. I'm Beth Jalali, editor-in-chief of the Grit and Glam Club, or AKA Style at a Certain Age. And welcome. If you're new here, hit the subscribe and join us, because around here, we believe the details matter and we age with grace, strength, and beauty. Okay, full disclosure, today isn't about fashion. It's about the behind the scenes, the things that make my closet function. My laundry room feels elevated and my daily routine just a little more seamless. And ladies, as always, everything is linked down below in the description box. Typically typically YouTube has everything linked over on the left-hand side, but they don't partner with Amazon, but they do allow us to put the links in the description box, and we'll put that in the comment section too. And we do this because nobody has time for a scavenger hunt, and I still have questions about, Beth, where can I find this? Where can I find that? So we're trying to simplify things for you. So let's start in my closet, because that's where all the magic happens for all of the fashion content that I share with you. So if you haven't made the switch to velvet hangers, what are you waiting for? This is your sign. I replaced every single hanger in my closet years ago with these, and it was like getting a renovation without calling a contractor. They're slim, so you instantly gain more space, and that's what I love. And I also love that nothing slips off. So if I have one of those little camis with the spaghetti straps, you don't have to worry about that. No more picking up blouses off the closet floor. And when everything is uniform, your closet just looks intentional. It reads like you meant to do it. It reads like a boutique. And this is one of those small changes that makes a massive visual difference. And these hangers, I typically buy 50 at a time, because yes, we have a lot of product coming in and a lot of product going out. So I just definitely buy in bulk, but you can also, I believe you can get a 25 pack, but I would highly invest in the 50 pack, because you can always just keep them for later use. And for my trousers, pants, anything outside of my jeans, because I always fold my jeans and put them on a shelf. But I love these non-slip pants hangers. And here's my trick. And for pants, trousers specifically, not my jeans, because I always fold those and then stack them up on a shelf. But I love these non-slip pants hangers. And if you care about how your clothes look, and I know you do, these are non-negotiable. Now, I love this because I love handbags, and this really gives my closet a boutique feel. So if you have beautiful handbags, and I know you do, why are they shoved on a shelf or piled on the floor of your closet, or even in the dust bags? This display stand lets you see what you have, and it protects your shape. I think of it like a little gallery for your accessories. So when your bags are visible and organized, getting dressed is easier, because you're not digging through a pile trying to remember what you own. And I'm guilty of that. So display your investment, ladies. Display it proudly. Okay, so this next one, you can actually have it in your closet if you have artwork that you would like to display. But I have these in my living room, and they go over my bookshelves. I also have them over artwork. I love, love, love these. And what are they? They are wireless picture lights. So I mounted these, as I said, above my bookcases in my living room, and the effect is gorgeous. That warm gallery style lighting that makes everything look more luxurious. And this is the best part. They're rechargeable. No electrician needed. No cords. It's so easy to install. I mean, I did that on my own, and I'm not the most handy person in the world. But I think that this kind of detail takes a space from fine to fabulous. And isn't that what we do around here? We don't settle for fine. Okay, so this could go in your closet, but this is a portable lint roller. So this actually goes into my handbag, because I have pets. Okay, I don't have Oscar anymore. I mean, God bless him. German Shepherds have so much hair, I can't even tell you. I mean, if you own a German Shepherd, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But I still have a Maine Coon cat, and my videographer's dog, Pax, comes to visit regularly. So I have a lot of pet hair everywhere. So I love having this portable lint roller, because I think that I have everything off of my clothes, and then I get in my car, and then I don't. So this is where a portable lint roller comes in handy. And it truly comes in handy if you wear a lot of black or even navy, because yep, pet hair just finds you. And this little thing is so compact, and I love it because it's refillable. And it's so much more effective than those sticky sheets. So I religiously keep one in my handbag, and then whatever handbag I'm wearing, I just take it and put it in, because it's always a good thing to give a once over before you head off to lunch, you head off to errands, or anywhere. This isn't a glamorous item by any means, but glamorous women carry them. Okay, Grit and Glamours, quick question before we move to the next segment, which is my laundry room, because I gave that a little zhuzh recently, and we'll link the laundry video up here because I gave a little tour. But my question is, I'm curious, are you someone who organizes your closet by color, by category, or by season? So tell me in the comments. I want to know how your closet works. Now, as I said, let's move to the room nobody talks about, but everybody uses, because your laundry room deserves the same intention as your closet. And the best purchase I think I've made for this room is the bamboo countertop that fits right over my washer and dryer and gives me instant folding surface if I want to use it for that, or display service. And I like to put my laundry detergent in beautiful glass canisters, and so this is where I put them. It's just beautiful. And it's very clean and it's very natural, and it keeps things from falling behind the machine. If you've ever had to fish a sock out from back there, you know this alone is worth it. But I also think that this just makes your room feel finished, like you planned it. And that shift from utility space to intentional space, it changes how you feel about being in there. And I think that every room deserves to be beautiful and functional. Okay, while we're making the laundry room functional, adhesive canister wheels. These are genius because you stick these on the bottom of anything heavy that you need to move. So that could be a laundry hamper, that could be a trash can, it could be a storage bin. I like to put mine on my planters, actually in my living room, so it doesn't technically fit in the laundry room. But we do have some heavy duty items in the laundry room that you might want to have on wheels and push them out of the way. And when you do that, everything just glides. It's so simple, it's so smart, and it's about $10. And this is the kind of hack that makes you wonder why you didn't do it years ago. Now, let's talk about what's going in the dryer, because I've completely replaced dryer sheets with wool dryer balls. Although, okay, I do still like dryer sheets. They are not really sustainable for our environment, but I do still keep them on hand. And really what I like to use them for is when you have that static cling in the wintertime, it's really a great style hack to have a dryer sheet, and then you just wipe it on your clothes and the static's gone. But back to those dryer balls. And I have two kinds that I like. So I love the wool dryer balls, and they have completely replaced my dryer sheets, and they naturally soften your clothes. And there's debate about this, but I truly believe they reduce drying time, and they cut down on static, all without chemicals or fragrance if that's a concern for you. So I toss in about 4 at a time, and they last for thousands of cycles, and I mean thousands. They're better for your clothes, they're better for you, and you stop buying dryer sheets almost forever because, yes, I still like them. And on top of the wool dryer balls, I like these Whitmore dryer balls, and this really kind of does some heavy duty lifting with my sheets and anything that's very, I guess, challenging to dry or a little bit bulkier to dry. And you can get these in a scent. So if you do like a scent, these are lovely. And they give your laundry just a hint of fragrance without being overpowering. So I definitely go between the two. The wool dryer balls, that's definitely for just my everyday clothes and my lingerie for sure. Delicates and knits. But sheets and towels, get the Whitmore dryer balls. It's a small luxury that makes pulling warm laundry out of the dryer feel like a little moment. And the finishing touch, these glass jars and this acrylic dryer sheet holder. So it just really zhuzhes up the entire laundry room. You can put laundry pods into the glass jars. You can put detergent in the glass jars. I mean, it's really up to you. I put my detergent in a much larger glass jar, but in these glass jars, you can put something smaller like clothespins. I put scented beads there, but it just immediately takes your laundry room for utility space to something that actually looks styled. It's the same principle as your closet. When things look intentional, the whole room feels elevated. Nancy Myers would approve. Okay, here's what I want you to take away from this. Style doesn't stop at your outfit. It's the closet that functions, the hangers that protect your clothes, the laundry room that feels like it belongs to you and not just your appliances. These aren't big investments. Not one of these is over $40. Okay, one is. It has a bamboo countertop. But together, they change how your space feels and how you feel moving through it. Because the woman who takes care of the details, she's the one who always looks pulled together. And now you know her secret. All right, Grit and Glam Club, I want to hear from you. What's the one small thing you've bought that made the biggest difference in your closet or your laundry room? Tell me in the comments. I'm always looking for new finds. And everything I showed you today is linked in the description box below and in the pinned comment. So if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and join the Grit and Glam Club. We show up, we sweat the details, and we don't do good enough around here. I'll see you in the next one. Here's to grit, grace, and just the right amount of glam.